Hey everybody, we are here in this 1986 Pontiac Fiero. This is the beginning of a very, very long renovation, restoration journey. I just bought this car in December. It's now February, and it's been in the shop for a while. Got some work done to it just to get it past inspection so I can drive it on the road. Now I can kind of get to know how it works and maybe what's wrong with it and where we need to put our first attention. So this Fiero is, so the Pontiac Fiero has this, what's called the ECM. It's engine control module. It's a little computer that is here underneath this panel. And just for perspective, this is 1986. This car was made in 1986, right? So in 1986, I was at my buddy Travis's house playing computer games on his Macintosh Plus, and that was pretty cool. I mean, because that computer had like a mouse and graphics, and computer games, and that was pretty sweet stuff. So just to kind of put this into perspective, we're talking about 1986 technology. So so the thing is that when the check engine light comes on here, that means that the computer has registered a problem somewhere in the car. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the control module, the ECM, into diagnostic mode by bridging a circuit here, and then this engine control light is going to flash. And that's going to give us some error codes that we're going to then use to know what to work on first. So here we go. Here's what we're going to need. We're going to need here's a pen and paper so I can write down the error codes. Here's a screwdriver, and then I'm also going to use just a regular paper clip. I've taken this paper clip and I've bent it out here, and I'm going to use this to bridge the circuit. So here we go. Let's unscrew this panel here. Thanks to Buddy Craig on YouTube for showing me how to do this. It was very, very helpful. So thanks, Buddy Craig. Here is the other screw. Alright. Okay. And then I'm going to take out the cigarette lighter and then remove this panel here. Alright. Okay, if you look down in here, then here's the port into the ECM. So we're going to put this paper clip in there to bridge these two, to make the circuit here. Okay. Now I'm not gonna start the engine, but I'm going to just turn it on so that it'll activate this computer, and then you'll see this engine light flashing here. So here we go. All right. Here we go. So it's gonna flash 1, 2. So there's our first code. This is the regular diagnostic code. It shows that the computer is basically on and that it's registered an error. Now it's going to say something. So this is kind of the starting point where we know that the computer is working and ready to tell us what's wrong with it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's a code 15. And then each code repeats 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again, that's number 15. And then it'll repeat the 3rd time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so next code. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a 44. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll notice there's a long pause in between codes so you don't get mixed up. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the last time for code 44. 2, 3, 4. Okay, next code. 1, 2. Alright, so that's the first diagnostic code again. So now it's just going to repeat those 3 codes again. So here we go. Now that means we've got a code 15 and a code 44. I have no idea what either of those mean, but why don't we go to the Pontiac Fiero forum and find out. Alright, here we go. Okay, so I'm here on the Fiero forum, and I have the list of error codes in front of me, and I'm going to go read them. So we're looking for error code 15 and error code 44. So I'm going to scroll down here. Code 15 says coolant sensor high voltage. So there's something here wrong with the coolant sensor. So we'll check that out. And then also code 44. Code 44, oxygen sensor, lean exhaust. Okay, so we've got some work to do here with our oxygen fuel mix, so we've got to check out that, and then also the coolant temperature. So there you go, error codes 15 and 14. Thanks.